Want to create tables that show different time periods for different versions, such as actuals and forecast? In SAP Analytics Cloud add-in for Microsoft Excel, the asymmetric filter function allows you to filter on multiple dimension and member combinations with a single filter, letting you display different combinations of dimensions and members in the same table. With the sap.asymmetricfilter function, you create a filter using blocks of cells that specify the dimension and member combinations you want to display. One way to create blocks is to extract the values from a table using the sap.block function. Here, you specify the desired combination of dimensions and members you will want to filter on. The selected dimensions and members now display in the block. Keep in mind that since this block is based on cell references, the values are dynamic and can change when changes are made to the table. Alternatively, you can create blocks by manually entering the dimension and member combinations in the cells. Your entries must match the dimension and member names from the model. Using the asymmetric filter function, you can filter the data by specifying the table or tables you want to filter and then referencing the blocks. For blocks defined using the block function, you can reference the cell that contains the block formula, followed by a hashtag. Alternatively, you can reference the range of cells in the block, which also works for blocks created manually. The cell containing the asymmetric filter formula updates to display the dimensions on which the filter is applied. You need to refresh the table to see the changes. The table now displays only the members specified in the blocks. The asymmetric filter also displays in the list of filters, overriding any other filter selections for the specified dimensions. This more complex example shows how the block and asymmetric filter functions can be used in combination with standard Excel functionality to create a rolling forecast with a customizable cutover date. Based on the values entered in the dropdown, you can refresh the table to see the desired cutover between the actual and forecast versions. Behind the scenes, a combination of standard Excel and SAP-specific functions are being used to drive the values in these blocks, which are referenced in a formula using the asymmetric filter. Note that both analysis and planning are supported on tables with asymmetric filters. However, keep in mind that the asymmetric filter function does not support data from SAP BW or SAP for HANA Cloud data sources, and that data point comments are not supported on tables with asymmetric filters applied. To find out more about using the asymmetric filter function in SAP Analytics Cloud add-in for Microsoft Excel, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.